Hi guys, J Roberts here, the Geeky Dad, and welcome to Building My Empire, where I find ways to make money on YouTube and with video, and I share them with you so that you can build your empire. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube playing video games, yeah? So if you're into gaming and you want to make money, keep watching guys. Now, this channel, I've chosen a video game, FIFA, purely because my son plays FIFA all the time, and I keep telling him to start uploading to YouTube, start uploading to Twitch, and then you can make money. Now I'm going to show you a couple of channels, well, 4 channels, yeah, ranging from a small, like this one there, it's only got 5.1, 5,160 subscribers, yeah, and it's quite a small channel compared to the other ones I'm going to show you. But as you can see, he's making between $27 and $437 a month, yeah. And all he's doing, guys, is uploading videos of him playing FIFA and then opening those on inside FIFA. You get like packs, called packs, and he opens them and he just records that. So the videos ain't that long. He's getting quite a lot of views as well, and that's what basically they are. Next channel, guys. He's making, or she, I'm not sure, between $44 and $706 yeah. And if we just, he's making similar kind of videos where he's opening packs. Now the next channel, guys, got quite a lot more subscribers, but he's making between 559 and 8.9 thousand a month, guys. So there's a big difference, and he's just doing the same, all different FIFA and opening the packs, playing the games and that, and he's getting quite a lot of views as well. Another one, guys, he's got even more, and he's earning between 1.9 and 30.8 thousand a month, guys. Yeah, he's doing the exact same, just recording him opening the packs. That's all he's doing, yeah, opening the packs. He's just playing the game, and he's just playing the game, guys. He's just opening it, and he's just sharing basically what he's doing. He's enjoying playing the game, and while he's enjoying it, he's pressed the little record button. Then he uploads it to YouTube, and he's over time he's making money, guys. Now, if you like playing computer games, yeah, no matter what game it is, I guarantee you, if you search that game on YouTube or on Twitch, yeah, because Twitch is another like gaming platform, you will find that people like it. So there's always going to be someone out there. You might not like FIFA, yeah, but I've chose FIFA, like I said, because my son, he plays it. But you upload the video game you play, and all in time you're gonna earn money, yeah. And this is by Google AdSense. Now, if you ain't got a channel that's monetized and you want to get monetized, yeah, then there's a link in the description about a YouTube course, and the course itself, I'll just get it on big screen, is from a lad called Mark, not taught at school, and he shows how you can make money online, yeah. He shows all the tricks he's learned over the years, and if you look, he's got lots of different testimonials, including yours truly, me, and that's for my other channel called Movies Games Beyond, yeah. If you want to check that out, it's all about movies and that. And you can see I'm making money. This is from last October. I've earned since. But yeah, and if you don't want to wait to get monetized, and you don't want to buy the YouTube course, that's fine. You can also add affiliate links, so you can sign up for like Amazon and other affiliate sites. All you have to do is type in, I don't know, whatever game it is, and type in affiliate after it. See if you can get affiliate for that. Then you can put your links in the description of your YouTube videos, and then when people click on that link, so say for instance you're playing FIFA, you can put an affiliate link for FIFA in your description. When people click on that because they think, oh, this game looks good, I'm going to buy it, they click on that link, they buy it, you make a commission, yeah. So you could get the YouTube course and try and get affiliate and try and get monetized, but in the meantime you can get affiliate commissions, so basically that will be paying for the course overall anyway, and before you know it, guys, you'll be earning affiliate commissions and YouTube AdSense. So and that's all for playing computer games, doing something you like. I tell my sons that every day. Yeah, if you're enjoying it and you're streaming, you're playing. I mean, if you're playing on that game, you might as well stream it, because you've got a possibility of making some money. Like I said, guys, it's a good way, guys. Upload videos. I mean, all you need to do is you come to if you go to YouTube and you type, all I do, guys, is I've typed in FIFA 21. Yeah, we'll search on YouTube, and if you download the Google extension of vidIQ, yeah, there's a link in the description as well for that. It'll tell you the tags, yeah, of the videos. So if you look at this video, it got uploaded 6 hours ago and it's got 15,000 views, and you think, yeah, I want to my video site. All you do is you press this button here. Yeah, I'll just put it on big screen a minute. Yeah, you press this button here, this like paperclip, and it copies the tags. So then when you're uploading your videos, you basically just copy the tags, yeah, and then YouTube will see that it's similar to that video, and you're going to get promoted, guys. And that's how you'll build your channel. But like I said, if you get the YouTube course by the link in the description, Mike goes over everything. He shows you how to do SEO. He shows you how to make passive income on your channel. It's great, guys. Check it out. You don't have to sign up for it, but just click on it and check it out, and then see what you think. Read the reviews and that. Check out Movies Games Beyond, and you'll see what if you look at the analytics in Movies Games Beyond, you'll see that up until a certain point the channel weren't making any money and it weren't doing that good. Then all of a sudden you can see where I've took the course and the channel blew up and it's doing great. Yeah, every day I'm getting more subscribers, I'm getting more Google AdSense. Yeah, check it out, guys. So just a quick video today. I just wanted to show you how you can make money on YouTube by playing games, and it's a great way, especially if you're into games. So that being said, guys, I'm going to go now. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, trying to find ways to make money online to help you build your empire. Until next time, guys, goodbye.